Hello everyone, today we will be discussing about a new technique for finding keyword opportunities using a technique known as heuristic SEO. So let us first understand what heuristics basically means. So heuristics is a data-driven technique by which one runs several hit and trial or a trial and error method for understanding or observing patterns by which they can come to a particular conclusion. Now, why this is important? This is very important in SEO because first of all, 15% of new queries are coming in the Google search every single day, which means whenever you are doing or conducting your business operations and running through some rigorous amount of SEO strategies, 15% of the entire things are new to you. So this is where you need to try, test and understand a lot of the changing patterns and then analyze the data and then take your strategy into the next level. So I will now show you how you can conduct a keyword opportunities operation using the same technique. Come, let us find out. So first of all, there are a few advantages of heuristics in SEO analysis. It's very easier to rank. This can be one of the main strategy for the traffic growth, and last but not the least, this allows product or services expansion. How one can perform a heuristics keyword analysis? At first, you need to go and create a list of seed keywords. For instance, on our screen you can see that sliding glass wall we have used, and then we have put the keyword on Google Keyword Planner. So you need to first take any important business keyword which you want to target and then enter the keyword into the Google Planner. After that, you need to arrange the thing in descending order of YOY exchange, which is year on year. So which means that you need to arrange the things in the decreasing order, like the ones which are having the highest will be in the top and the ones which are having the lowest will be in the bottom, and this would be segregated using the YOY as you can see from the screen. Then you need to shortlist and export all the keywords where you change more than 100% in the YOY change. So as you can see, we have included the keywords like sliding glass walls residential, sliding glass wall systems, sliding glass walls for patios, and these all have an YOY changes of 400%, 200%, 250%. So which means that any percentage which you get more than 100%, export them in a list and then rinse and repeat. So this is the process which you can perform for all of your other YMYL keywords or the important keywords. And my conclusion is keywords with a YOY change of more than 100% can potentially become significant keywords in the near future. Hence that makes them potential candidate for our keyword and content strategy. So as you have seen, undergoing this technique, you can observe some pattern like which keywords have more YOY change in percentage, and you can create a list of topic clustering, and this you can later utilize for your SEO campaign, by which you can get more keyword opportunities for your blogs and topics, and also this can drive a good amount of potential organic traffic to your campaign. Thanks for watching.